like to print cool things with a 3D printer? Then you are absolutely right with us. This nice boat we have printed at home. Only the small motor we needed to buy. Select the colors you like directly in Bambu Studio Software and take your time to print. At the end, you will have some nice results. And this boat also swims. If you like this video, we will be happy about each like. For each like in the first week, we will print our mascot 1% bigger. Let's see if we get a small mascot